Hello, I'm just going to explain number 34 and 38. 34 says, two lines perpendicular to a third line are sometimes perpendicular to each other. Okay, in the example, two lines perpendicular to a third line. This line is perpendicular to this line. This line is also perpendicular to this line, and as you can see, they're perpendicular to each other. So that's the case that it's true. This line's perpendicular with that line. This line's perpendicular with that line, so perpendicular here, perpendicular, and they're also perpendicular to each other. In a case that it's not true, this line is perpendicular with this line, which is also perpendicular with this line. But if you notice, these two lines are not perpendicular. So we got this one perpendicular, this one perpendicular, but these two are not perpendicular. That's number 34. Number 38 says two lines parallel to the same plane are sometimes parallel to each other. So this line is parallel to this plane, and this line is parallel to this plane, and they're also parallel to each other. This line and this line are parallel to each other, and they're parallel to this plane, okay? However, so that's when it's true. When it's not true, this line and this line are parallel to this plane, but they are perpendicular to each other. They are not parallel to each other. So this is the plane. This line is parallel to this plane. This line is parallel to this line, but they are not parallel with each other. So that's why it's sometimes true. All right? Have a great night.